60 seconds with Femi, correct pidgin yannings, na him we dey do. And so kind tori wey we dey hear this morning be say Chelsea and Juventus they don't agree make Gonzalo Higuain come out for AC Milan come Chelsea. You go remember say Gonzalo Higuain na for AC Milan in the do in loan as in come out from Juventus go AC Milan for loan. Now we dey hear say he go come out from AC Milan now come Chelsea come do 6 months loan. Then Chelsea they fit extend the loan reach 2020 or they fit buy Gonzalo Higuain. You go remember say Gonzalo Higuain sef in don play with Sarri aka Sarri ball winning the Napoli and na 35 games now play with Sarri in come score 36 goals come give 2 assists come create 51 chances winning the inside Napoli and when he come go loan for AC Milan he now play 15 games score 6 goals. So I dey ask this morning Gonzalo Higuain na him go be the man wey go come solve Chelsea striking issue because today I say Chelsea no get striker now. Morata and Olivier Giroud they be like people wey dey do internship for Chelsea. E be like say they no be striker. Torres don come he don go, Costa don come he don go. So now this guy Higuain na him go be the man wey go solve Chelsea wahala for strike.